this place. Weapons here, weapons there, weapons everywhere. They're ready for some serious action.
It sounds like you are too.
Duh. Unlike my old man, I'm not some lazy drunk. I fight for what I believe in. Something he'd never understand.
Wonder how he's holding up.
Behind bars, you mean? Not well, if the government's got anything to say about it. Good on him. Jail's where he belongs.
That's my master you're talking about. Mind laying off him a little?
You know what? Let's drop it. Not exactly my favorite topic. It's only gonna make me mad. More importantly...
My god, you people are deadly boring. Luckily, I know exactly how to liven things up. With a little experiment. Just don't go dying on me. That would reveal very interesting results now, would it?
Unit calibration complete. Initiating format data collection sequence.
We can take them. Can't we?
Sick.
Get lost! This calls for a fight. Aww, someone need a rest? Ready?
I'm on it.
At least put up a fight. How you like this? Aww, someone need a rest?
This all without a bit.
Run like a chocobo? You're mine, punk. I sentence you to a beating.
Pleasure.
Run like a chocobo?
Gonna knock you down.
How you like this?
Data collection complete. Recalibrating for next test. Unit calibration complete. Initiating format data collection sequence.
Man, I hate these guys.
Let's show.
You're going down. Take that. How you like this?
Data collection complete. Recalibrating for next test.
What? There's more? Gotcha.
Unit calibration complete. Initiating format data collection sequence.
Man, I hate these guys.
Let's show.
Gotcha. I'm unstoppable. Got you now. Sonon.
Got it.
No, thanks for that.
Not good.
Weather this. Ah! Need some backup.
End of the line.
Gotcha.
So
How do you
long.
like this? What? Little? I got you right where I want that. You should at least put up a fight. Gotcha. Time to kick some butt. Here we go.
Data collection complete.
Credit where credit is due. You exceeded my every expectation. And for being such good sports, you may now leave.
Why did I ever think for a second she'd be nice to us? She knows damn well it's gonna be a pain in the ass getting up there. Gotcha! Well, honestly, how do I do it? Now then, Sonon, how you feel about giving me a boost?
Ecstatic. And go.
Okay, get to climbing.
Madam Director. The intruders are about to reach the research facility.
And we'll let them. Meanwhile, find out what it is they want. You do have eyes, don't you? Then you can see that while they are simpletons, they've made it further than any normal Wutaian ever could. Clearly they are ninjas. Teenage ninjas. And they've come such a long way. We simply must roll out the red carpet. My trusty steed should provide a fitting welcome, I think. Keep me apprised, would you?
Ma'am, cut system power to the research facility. Bar access to confidential data, then retrace their steps. Find out why they're here. Above all, do not let them out of your sight. Sir!
Oh, Materia, where are you? Is that Materia I smell?
End of the line, Wu-Tai scum!
Let's do this!
I'm on it.
You're going down! Let's turn up the You're going down! Take that! Coming to ya. This their idea of mood lighting? 'Cause it's bad.
Might be the power. That thing's off too.
Talk about hitting the jackpot. This must be where they make their materia.
Maybe, but they're not what we came for. Let's keep moving, boss.
Totally. After I grab a few souvenirs. Gotcha!
Level 1 power grid online. Initiating Mako energy saturation. Deploying security grid.
not in the mood, huh? Fine, we'll find another one. Wait, is that a security crate or a ladder? Thanks, Shinra. That's weird. Not even a whiff of materia up here. But then there's nowhere else to go. I'm gonna go to town on these jerks! Come on!
Got your back.
Might as well. So what'd you think? Aren't I just awesome?
That and then some.